We'll now try to locate the position of the image that we see in a mirror. What I've done here is to place a mirror on a line. The back of the mirror is on the line, and we'll place a candle in front of the mirror, and then we'll place a second candle behind the mirror and position it so that when I look into the mirror, I can move my head and the candle stays at the same position each time. So it doesn't matter where I look, the image of the candle and the candle in front are superimposed. It's a good idea to close one eye when you're doing this. So we'll move the camera to show that when we move it, the image and the candle behind the image are almost at the same place. You can see it's off a little bit here. We want to get that really the same. Then we mark the position of the candle at the front of the mirror and behind the mirror. There's our marks. So here's the candle 1 and candle 2. And we will take the center of the candle, just make a line there, and then we'll draw a straight line through those two, and we'll also measure the distance of the candle behind the mirror, which is 8.2 centimeters, and in front of the mirror we have about 8.3 centimeters. So here's another view of our diagram. So this was the candle in front and the image behind. So this was the candle behind the mirror. This is our mirror. And the distance to the back candle was 8.2 centimeters and to the front 8.3 centimeters. When we measure the angle between the line joining the image and the object, we find that it's exactly 90 degrees. And that's one way in which we can locate the image of a mirror. The distance behind the mirror is exactly the same as the distance of the object in front of the mirror. And the line joining the mirror, the image, and the object is at 90 degrees to the plane mirror.